Hello guys, in this class we are going to discuss vector problems. So here we have a question. Write a unit vector in the direction of sum of vectors a and b. So first of all, write it given. What is given? Given a bar is equals to 2i plus 2j minus 5k and b vector is 2i plus j minus 7k. So here is asking sum, so I am doing addition. Sum means a bar plus b bar is 2 plus 2, add coefficients of I. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4i, add j coefficients. 2 plus 1 is 3, j, minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12, k bar. So next find the magnitude. A bar plus b bar, magnitude is root over 4 square plus 3 square plus 12 square. Minus 12 square will become plus 12 square, so 12 square. Here 4 4 is a 16 plus 3 is a 9 plus 144. So it will become 25 plus 144 is 169. So 169 we can write it as 13 13s are 169. So a bar plus b bar magnitude is this. What is asking exactly? Is asking unit vector in the direction of sum of vectors. So unit vector in direction of sum of vectors. A bar plus b bar is a bar plus b bar by a bar plus b bar modulus. So this is the final result. From here we can write it as a bar plus b bar, result is 4 3 minus 12. So here 4 3j minus 12k bar by magnitude is 13. That's all. This is the answer. Just separate 4 by 13 I plus 3 by 13 j minus 12 by 13 k bar. So this is the unit vector, required unit vector solution. This is. Here we have a question. Find the value of p for which that vectors are parallel. Here let us say this is a bar. First of all, before going to this, if we have two vectors are parallel, let us say this is a bar and this is b bar. If these two vectors, let us say this is a1i plus a2j plus a3k bar and b vector is b1i bar plus b2j bar plus b3k bar. If these two vectors are parallel to each other, then the condition will be a1 by b1 is equals to a2 by b2 is equals to a3 by b3. So this is the parallel condition. So given vectors, first of all we will write given vectors. Let's say a bar is equals to, given vector is 3i plus 2j plus 9k and b bar vector is I minus 2p j bar plus 3k bar. So here we have a vector, b vector, both are parallel to each other. A parallel to b, then we have a condition. This is a condition a1 by b1. So 3 by b1 is this 1 is equals to, this is 2, j coefficient is minus 2p is equals to 9, k coefficient by k coefficient. So from here you can equate it, any one of this. 3 3 is a 9. So if I equate those two, 3 by 1 is equals to minus 1 by p. So from here I can write it as p is equals to minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. If I equate this is also same, there is no change. Hence p is, here we have a question. Write the value of cosine of angle which the vector makes with respect to y-axis. So let me explain you first. This is x-axis, y-axis, this is z-axis. I along x-axis, j along y-axis, k along z-axis. So he is asking cosine of angle. That means we need to find the unit vector of this. Okay, first given vector. Given a bar is equals to I plus j plus k bar. So here a vector is given, but we need to find the unit vector in order to find the cosine of angle with respect to y-axis. So here unit vector in the direction of a bar is a by a modulus. Here a modulus is what? Root over I coefficient square, j coefficient square, k coefficient square. So here root 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3. So a modulus is root 3. A is known. So from here we can write it as unit vector I plus j plus k by root 3. So here 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k bar. Now he is asking what is an angle make with respect to y-axis. See here y-axis. Here y-axis along j. So j coefficient is 1 by root 3. This is LMN. Compare with the LMN DRs. Okay. DCs is equals to 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Here what I said, this is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. So here with respect to y-axis angle is making, this is cos alpha, which is in the form of cos alpha comma cos beta comma cos gamma. So here compare with this. With respect to y-axis we are equating y coordinates. So cos beta is equals to 1 by root 3. So beta is equals to 1 by this question he asked cosine of angle he asked. So this is a solution. Okay. This is a solution. Cosine of an angle. If he will ask you find the angle, so this is a solution. If it will ask you to find the angle between a line and with respect to y-axis, then this is the solution. Okay, angle. But what he asked in the question, cosine of angle value with respect to y-axis. So here with respect to y-axis cosine value is 1 by root 3. Here we have a question, write vector in the direction of a vector that has magnitude 9 units. So first of all let us consider a bar is equals to I minus 2j plus 2k. So this is a given vector. He is asking to find the vector in the direction of the given vector, unit vector. So unit vector is in the direction of, first of all find the magnitude of a vector. Magnitude is root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. 1 plus 2 2 is 4 plus 2 2 is 4. 8 root over 9 is 3. So 3. Magnitude of A is 3. Unit vector in the direction of A bar is, unit vector is equals to A bar by A bar modulus. A bar is what here we have A minus 2j plus 2k by magnitude is 3. So this is the unit vector, we got it, but he said that magnitude 9 units. So here given unit vector having magnitude 9 units. So therefore 9 times of unit vector A, 9 into I minus 2j plus 2k bar by 3. So if I divide this, 3 is 9, so this is the final answer. 3 into I, 3 2 is 6j plus 3 2 is 6k bar. This is the solution. Required vector. Here we have a question, write unit vector in the direction of vector PQ where P and Q are the given points. That means he given a position vector. Given OP bar is equals to 1 comma 3 comma 0, I am writing in vector form. I plus 3j plus 0k, no need of writing that. OQ bar is 4i plus 5j plus 6k. So these are the given vectors. He is asking to find PQ, where unit vector in the direction of PQ. So first PQ. How to write PQ here? PQ can be written as OQ minus OP. Position vector of PQ is OQ minus OP. OQ is this 4i plus 5j plus 6k minus I plus 3j. 4 minus 1 is 3 I. 5 minus 3 is 2j plus 6k. Hence this is a PQ bar. PQ bar. Now we need to find a unit vector in the direction of PQ bar. Unit vector in the direction of PQ is PQ vector by PQ modulus. Okay, unit vector. So from here PQ modulus magnitude 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. Here 3 is a 9, 2 is a 4, 6 is a 36, 49. Root over 49 will become 7, right? So from here unit vector is PQ. Write it, PQ is 3i plus 2j plus 6k by unit vector magnitude is 7. So hence this is the answer. Separate 7 to the I, j, k. 2 by 7 j bar, 6 by 7 k bar. Hence this is the solution. This will be the solution. Pause it and note down.